Today we are here at the Grant County, Kentucky Cutting Torch Competition. This competition is all about how fast you can cut a torch. It's not about how clean or the right spot to cut, going off a blueprint. It's just about speed, so it makes it really fun. There's a lot of contestants and it's very high interactive and high pace. So let's check it out and see how this competition goes. Here are some prizes. So first place is going to get a torch, gloves, and this $3,000 scholarship to come to KWI, as well as a hat. And then second place, third, fourth, and fifth, and the list goes down.
It's called the Logan Cutting Classic. Logan Cooper was a student here in Grant County, and once they get up here, go!
All right, you can catch up. Come on, Maui. There you go, look at that. Look at that angle he's got on that torch. Yeah, pretty heat. Yeah. Look at that.
All right, who do I have here?
I got TJ Bree.
TJ Bree, we're here at the Cutting Torch Competition. All right, TJ, how do you think you're gonna do today?
I think I'm gonna do decent, but there's a lot of skilled welders. And
There's a lot of them. So what are you gonna do differently than everybody else? Or are you allowed to say what you're gonna do on here?
Well, what I've seen a lot of people just straight up and down cut it. See, what I'm gonna do is once I preheat it, I'm gonna get it to an angle to where it preheats the rest of it.
Yep.
And just cut it.
Okay, well, hopefully that works out for you.
Right.
All right, so we're gonna keep in touch with TJ here and see how he does here in a little bit. All right, so we'll check back with you.
And the techniques are so different. Some people angle it, some people are doing a straight cut, some people are preheating longer before they start, so it's really neat to see all the different techniques to see who drops that plate first.
Right, there was someone who was really fast a minute ago. I mean, they were flying through it.
Yeah, and the thing is, sometimes you'll go too fast and it'll fuse it drops back together, so your piece don't drop and you got to come back and fix that.
Right. All right. Well, let's get back into it. Getting the torches set up right. Heck yeah, a lot of competitors, man. It's pretty tricky. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, they're about in the same spot. Oh, it's close. Oh, he welded it back together. He's screwed. Oh, man. Someone cut it. Oh, man, high intensity. Ooh. All right, there we go. All right, you're good. We got this bracket going on here. What do we got going on, man? All right, we're back at it again. Who we got here?
Bryson.
How does it going today?
Oh, it's pretty good. You know, lost the first round, but I'll come back.
All right. It's been pretty intense here today. Had a little bit of...
Probably 90 kids here.
90 people. We got a bracket over there. Nice. All right, well, we'll catch back up with you here in a little bit.
Get set, go!
Oh boy.
Look at that.
Oh! All right, here we go. Just got back here to KWI. We had a great time at the Logan Cooper Cutting Classic. It's always a fun, enjoyable time at this cutting torch competition. It's very fast paced, it's intense, and everybody loves it. We'll see you guys next year at the Logan Cooper Classic. Next week is the Whitley County competition, part of the Bluegrass Welding Series. We'll see you there. Signups are on our website.